Hey everybody, how's it going? Time for another video. Got the 2002 Ford Ranger here, and when I bought the truck, a couple of the fender flares, the clear coat was starting to peel, which is no big deal because the rest of the truck is actually in really good shape paint-wise, and that's pretty rare to find. So several months ago, I actually ordered some base coat and clear coat. Got them on eBay. It was about 41 bucks, and you can search on eBay and find this. There's several different sellers, but this code is E4, and the color is vermilion. It's the name of the color. There it is right there. So I think what I'm going to do is, now the proper way to do this would be to take these flares off, and it's probably not that involved, but at this point they're pretty fragile. I think I'm just going to scuff them down in place and sand them, spray the base, and then spray the clear. And this one's the worst one, and it's also got some, I don't know if it's coming out on camera, some light scuffs right there and right there, which I wasn't worried about because it's obviously on the same panel, but you can see the clear coat's just coming right off. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. The truck has been sitting in the sun, so it's decently warm, but I'm going to go ahead and scuff it up, clean it, tape it, and then spray it. But I am going to move it over closer to the garage, so stay tuned. I've got this fender flare sanded and feather edged about as much as possible. It's down to the plastic right there in that spot. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it off, take a look at it, see if I missed any spots, fix those, clean it again, tape it up, and spray it. Not going to put a whole bunch of time into it because this truck is a 2002, but it will look pretty nice when I'm done. Well, this is as good as the prep is going to get on this. This is what I like to call a tape and rape. So it'll be fine. I mean, this wouldn't be what you would do if you were, charging somebody to do this, but I'm confident. I got a nice clean line right there. This should work out just fine. Like I said, the rest of the truck is by no means perfect, so this will end up looking a lot better. So, gonna give it one more clean and then spray some base on it. Got one very light coat done. It's a little orange peely. Today is definitely not the best day for this. It's a little windy, temps in the low 60s. So ideally you'd want something, on a calm day or inside, and temperature's a little higher, but you know what, I'll deal with it. I'll just go slow, and if it's orange peely, so what, who cares? It's gonna look better than it did. I'm gonna try to remove this original shift knob right here. I have this new replacement one, factory, that I've had since I got the truck, but this is pretty much just pressed on here. And I know that you have to kind of put a wrench on here and then bang it off, and I tried to do that once, but I gave up on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it again. I've got a hammer and this wrench right here. Try to get it off. I don't know. Sick of looking at this thing and sick of having this thing roll around the truck while I drive. So let me try it. All I can say is I must have loosened it last time because this took exactly 5 taps with the hammer. So you can see it's basically just pressed onto there. Which is good. This old worn out one is off. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on, but I'm gonna sit on the driver's seat so I can clock this properly. Well, this thing is on about as far as I can get it. A little bit of a space. I don't remember if the old one had this gap or not. I don't think it did. So either way, it's a lot better than it is, and I guess maybe I'll keep trying to push down on it. Just a little diversion project while I'm waiting for the fender flare to dry. So that looks a lot better. Well, the base coat has been drying for quite a while, and I put one very light coat of the clear on top of it. Here's the clear, made by the same company. So I'll do this, let this tack coat dry, then I'll put probably maybe 2 or 3 decent wet coats on, and then this will be done. All done. Not perfect, but a vast improvement over what it was. Definitely orange peely, which I can take care of that. I'll buff that out in a couple days. but the finish is nice and consistent all the way around. Nice consistent color and amount of orange peel. The one on the rear is factory and it's nice and flat and shiny, but that's okay. This can be fixed very easily. Happy with the color match. Not bad for a 2002 truck versus a 2018 paint job. So, success. I will go ahead and at a later date film another video of me doing the other flares. But for right now, one more thing done. Please feel free to leave any comments. Let me know if you have any suggestions for the truck. Reasonable suggestions, that is. I'm open to, do to this truck whatever people suggest, as long as it's affordable and practical. There's the Prelude, there's the Mustang over there. That'll do it for now. Please feel free to subscribe, check out my other videos. I've got lots of other playlists of all my other vehicles. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.